Good morning. This is Dr. Bivin Katti, Chemistry Department, RL Science Institute, Belagavi. Today, I'm going to give the explanation regarding the organic synthesis using active methylene compound chapter. In the last video, we have discussed the keto-enol tautomerism. So, in that, the ethyl acetoacetate exist in the two forms, that is keto form and enol form, that we have already studied. So that's what it is called, keto enol tautomerism we have studied. So those exist in two forms, that is ketonic group and enolic group. So the reactions due to ketonic group we have studied last class. Today's video we are studying the reactions due to the enolic group. So that's what I mean here, the reactions of enol, that is the OH group in this, that is the enolic ethyl acetoacetate. So here, in the reactions of the enolic group, ethyl acetoacetate reacts with the phosphorus pentachloride to form the ethyl beta chlorocrotonate involving the replacement of OH group by Cl. So here the enolic group of the ethyl acetoacetate that replaces by the chlorine, forming the product ethyl beta. So this is beta carbon attached to the chloro group. Ethyl beta chlorocrotonate product is formed when treated with a phosphorus pentachloride. So this is the reaction with the phosphorus pentachloride due to the enolic group of the ethyl acetoacetate. Now one more reaction due to the enolic group, treatment of EA with bromine. So here similarly to alkenes, so the alkenes is formed. So alkenes, ethyl acetoacetate decolorizes ethanolic solution of bromine with the addition of bromine at a double bond. So to the carbon-carbon double bond, the linkage of the bromine, by eliminating the double bond, we get the product dibromo product, dibromo derivative of ethyl acetoacetate. So when the enolic group of the ethyl acetoacetate treated with a bromine, so it forms the dibromo derivative. So this is the another reaction due to enolic group of ethyl acetoacetate. Now, with this, I mean, the reactions we have studied, the reaction due to keto group of ethyl acetate and enol form of ethyl acetoacetate. The reactions we have seen. Now, next, we are studying the synthetic applications of ethyl acetoacetate. So, already we have studied the synthesis of ethyl acetoacetate and the synthesis of diethyl malonate. Already we have studied in the last video. Now here the same ethyl acetoacetate and diethyl malonate applications we are studying here in this aspect. That is the synthetic applications of ethyl acetoacetate and diethyl malonate. So coming to the first, the ketones are produced, synthesized by using the ethyl acetoacetate. So here in the first synthetic application, the ketones are formed from the ethyl acetoacetate. So here ethyl acetoacetate is converted into sodium salt by treating with a sodium ethoxide base. Sodium ethoxide base, the sodium salt of ethyl acetoacetate is formed. Now we'll see here in this reaction. So this is ethyl acetoacetate. So when treated with a sodium ethoxide, it eliminates the active methylene hydrogen by sodium giving the product sodium salt of ethyl acetoacetate. So eliminating the C2H5OH ethyl alcohol. Now here the product is sodium salt of ethyl acetoacetate. By eliminating the actomethylene group, that replacement of the proton by the sodium, it forms the product sodium salt of ethyl acetoacetate. Thus produced sodium salt of ethyl acetoacetate. Next it is alkylated by using the alkyl halide. We have taken the general formula RX. R is a alkyl, X is a halide. So by treating with a alkyl halide with sodium salt of ethyl acetoacetate, so we get the product alkyl derivative. So here the produced alkyl derivative, next reaction, it is treated with a dilute potassium hydroxide and also it is acidified. So by acidification here the acid hydrolysis, the hydrolysis of the acid, so it is called, acts as a catalyst here. The acid which gives out the H plus ions, so it helps for the hydrolysis. So similarly in this alkylated product, so the carbon ketonic group of this alkyl group is cleaved by the hydrolysis, that is called acid catalyzed hydrolysis. This H plus. So this H plus bar H2O means it is called acid catalyzed hydrolysis. What we are doing, acidification, acid which gives out the H plus ions which helps in the hydrolysis of this ketonic group. So now it is converting into the derivative which converts into the hydrolysis of alkyl derivative of ethyl acetoacetate by boiling with a dilute solution of potassium hydroxide followed by the acidification gives the ketone. The ketone product is formed. So this is a ketone product and also it eliminates the carbon dioxide and ethyl alcohol. See, we can see clearly in this the elimination of this alkyl group. Here, by treating with a KOH and acid catalyzed hydrolysis, the cleavage forms this ketone compound plus CO2 carbon dioxide plus ethyl alcohol. Like that, here the synthetic applications, by using the ethyl acetate, we get the product ketone. Like that, ketones are synthesized by using EPA. Now, some more important synthetic applications are there. We'll study in the next video. So with this, I'm concluding the chapter active methylene compound.